Track 16, Speaking Part 2, Worksheet 1. Now, I'd like each of you to talk on your own about something. I'm going to give each of you a photograph, and I'd like you to talk about it. A. Here is your photograph. It shows people travelling. B. You just listen. A. Please tell us what you can see in the photograph. Track 17, Speaking, Part 2, Worksheet 1. B. Here is your photograph. It shows someone learning how to do something. A. You just listen. B. Please tell us what you can see in the photograph.